Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And in today's tutorial, guys, I have a special unboxing and this is of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. All right, so as you can see here, this is my S26 Ultra. And of course, this one comes in the color Shadow Silver. Should I say Silver Shadow? And of course, as you can see, this is the box. And of course, we'll have plenty of tutorials on the channel in terms of the S26 Ultra coming up, guys. So your support is always welcome. This here, guys, we have the redesigned box, and the box shows off the curves that are part of the S26 Ultra line. You can actually see the cameras and of course the logo on the front. Very simple this year, direct and straightforward. All right, to the base here, we have the information as the model number, as you can see, and it indicates the color. You can see that where it's manufactured. And of course, as you can see here, there's the Samsung branding. At the top, there's nothing. And at the other side around here, you can actually see it's blank. And to the base here, you have the serial information. I'm blocking that out. All right, so here we have some information here. As towards the contents of the box, it tells you everything that's here. And of course, it gives you the full information. Now, this year I opted to get more storage. But this year I went with the 512 gigabyte from my usual 256 gigs. All right, so this is a brand new device. As you can see, it's still sealed and we're gonna open this up. All right, so of course here you see the tabs. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna break those tabs. So I have removed this section here and I'm gonna remove this one down here. All right, always satisfying to do a new unboxing. All right, so we have the box and I'm gonna go ahead and here we have the cover. Inside here, we have the contents. And of course, we're gonna see what we get this year. We see the nice reminiscent casing. All right, so this slides right out. You get your SIM eject tool, as always. You also receive, as you can see here, a USB cable from Samsung. Best to use theirs. So I'm gonna put this aside right up here. We get some information here on the SIM tray and how to actually operate that. And it breaks down everything right here, as you can see. And I think this might be another language on this side here and English on this side. You can always pause to check that out. All right, so we're gonna place that in the background. All right, so we have the SIM eject tool. All right, so here you go. Very nice as always. So we're gonna place this in the background. And this basically opens up and that's it. All right, so as usual, no chargers in the box, which comes standard nowadays. And of course, it comes all in this sleeve right here. So with that out of the way, we have finished with the main contents, and you can see right here, this is the smartphone itself. First impressions, I'm very much liking the look. And of course, you can see the silver shadow right here. You can see all the colors and it does look like silver. And I like how pristine everything looks. You can see the camera bump here and you can actually see the lenses of the camera. All right, so I'm gonna lift. All right. Now, first thing I noticed, guys, is that this is much lighter. And coming from a S24 Ultra, that one was much heavier. And this is just the base. So if we look at the device itself, you can see the rounded corners. You can actually see the S Pen here. All right, guys, so you can see the rounded corners and of course the reduced weight. On the back, you see the Samsung branding. You can see the buttons towards the side here. Everything looks very, very nice. You can look here as well. It looks so nice. It's as if this is chiseled out of aluminum. You can see the two holes at the top there. And if we flip it over, guys, here we have the front. And of course, there's the protective film that covers the screen. And again, guys, here we have the ports, which is USB Type-C. And I am so happy that this year they did not place the eject hole so close to the speaker hole right here, or that punch hole. Because what would happen is that you could easily mix them up and place the SIM tool in the wrong section and damage your microphone. All right, so again, we see the speaker area here, and we see the new S Pen when the curve in terms of the curvature. All right, so of course we can go ahead and remove this. And this is the S Pen this here. And you can see it here, it looks very, very nice. All right, so I'm gonna place this back in. All right, so everything looks so nice. All right, so we have the protective film here on the front, and that's about it. We can easily remove this. Okay, so it's off. It's just a sticky film. So we're gonna place this aside. And here we have the pristine new display. You can see the front camera there. And of course you can check this out. All right, so I'm just gonna give you a one over. This is the silver shadow. So beautiful. Lighter. Reimagine. Brand new. This is a SIM version. There you go, guys. It's so nice. All right. So guys, I'm gonna have the setup video next, and this is it for the unboxing. And in the unboxing, I simply show you the device and what it looks like. So hope you enjoy this, and as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, showing you the unboxing of everything that you get with your S24 Ultra. All right, so of course there is no adapter brick, but you do get the USB cable, the SIM eject tool, and of course the box and all of its content, and everything looks so nice. So see you for the future videos. Bye, guys.